Have you ever wondered why some people can always easily acquire wealth while others struggle no matter how hard they try? The answer might lie in their beliefs. If you believe you can attract wealth, then you are more likely to achieve it. Conversely, if you believe you are destined for poverty, it will be hard to escape the shackles of poverty. Today, I will share a secret weapon for attracting wealth, which is building a bridge of belief.
Imagine you are striving to achieve financial freedom, picturing yourself having ample funds to easily fulfill your dreams. However, life always presents some challenges, such as seeing friends suffer significant losses due to failed investments or hearing news reports about economic downturns. These negative messages may make you feel anxious and even start to doubt whether you can achieve financial freedom. This is your emotional guidance system telling you that what you hear and think is not aligning with your intentions. You make a decision to stop these negative emotions from spreading, and you want to believe that you can attract wealth. But you find that you are surrounded by various information about economic difficulties. You try to change the topic, but are always pulled back to the harsh realities. The reason you feel negative emotions is not just because of the negative information around you. Negative emotions indicate a conflict between your beliefs and your personal desires. The negative information around you just triggers your inner beliefs, making you question your desire for wealth. Therefore, avoiding reality or blocking information will not change your beliefs. You need to build a bridge in your negative beliefs, slowly moving towards beliefs that align with your wealth expectations.
How to build a bridge of belief.
Once you feel negative emotions, it's best to stop and think clearly about what you are thinking when these emotions arise. The reason for the negative emotions is that your thoughts are very important to you, but what you think contradicts what you truly want. So you can ask, what am I thinking when this negative emotion arises? What do I really want regarding this matter? In this way, you will realize that at this moment, your attention is misplaced and not directed towards what you want to attract into your experience.
Example.
When you ask what am I thinking when negative emotions arise, you might say, oh, I think the current economic situation is bad. Many people are being laid off. I might lose my job, my income will decrease, and I won't be able to achieve financial freedom. What do I really want? Oh, I want to have ample funds and achieve financial freedom.
But in such a situation, just saying, I want to have ample funds and achieve financial freedom is not enough, because you still remember the reality of the economic downturn, and the belief that you can't achieve financial freedom is much stronger than your desire for wealth. So, what you should do is build a bridge of belief.
Steps to building the bridge.
1. Acknowledge past experiences. The economy has indeed been bad in recent years, and many people have lost their jobs. 2. Express your desire. I want to have ample funds and achieve financial freedom. 3. Restate your desire. I believe I can achieve financial freedom. 4. Challenge negative thoughts. The economic situation is bad. I might not be able to achieve financial freedom. 5. Offer a rebuttal. Although the economic situation is bad, there are many opportunities. As long as I work hard, I can achieve financial freedom. 6. Emphasize positive experiences. I have overcome many difficulties before, and I believe I can succeed this time as well. 7. Change your beliefs. I can control my financial situation and achieve financial freedom. 8. Expect positive outcomes. I believe I can find suitable opportunities to achieve financial freedom. 9. Imagine positive results. Imagining myself having ample funds and achieving financial freedom makes me feel extremely excited. 10. Emphasize control. I can create wealth through hard work and improving my skills. 11. Emphasize the power of thoughts. I believe in the power of thoughts. I can attract wealth. 12. Emphasize the power of the law of attraction. I believe in the power of the law of attraction. I'd attract wealth. 13. Decide on a positive outcome and decide to achieve financial freedom. 14. Reject negative experiences. I don't need to experience poverty and hardship. 15. Affirm positive experiences. I can direct my thoughts towards wealth and freedom. 16. Affirm life changes. I believe my life will undergo positive changes, and I will achieve financial freedom. By continually repeating these steps, you can gradually change your beliefs, attract wealth, and achieve financial freedom.
By following these steps and adapting them to your own personal situation, you will learn to develop your own strong and unwavering bridge of belief to attract the things you want. As long as you maintain positive beliefs and take action, you will definitely achieve financial freedom. Remember, you have unlimited potential. As long as you believe in yourself, you can create your own wealth miracles. Good luck. Want to learn more in-depth knowledge of the law of attraction, self-improvement, spiritual growth, practical techniques and exercises? Subscribe and turn on the bell. Don't miss our new video and challenges. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are interested in unlocking their manifestation abilities. Stay positive, keep believing, and manifest your dreams into reality. Until next time, take care.